Chair Etta said, the CHR, as a National Human Rights Institution, has regional offices. And it has a total staff of about, I think, 600 more or less. So 600 plus personnel across the country. In most of the regions, usually typically between a staff of 10, maybe 20 or 25, depende sa laki ng region. No? So ngayon, in Caraga region, region 13, sabi there are only 9 staff. That's at the regional level. But where do human rights violations occur? They occur in the communities, on the ground. So the response time between incident or event of human rights violation and the response, the further away you are, the lengthier the response time. Now, Raisa mentioned it earlier, when there was no regional human rights commission, even though many human rights violations occur in the context of ARC because of the conflict context, they had to seek assistance of either the Region 9 Commission Human Rights or the Region 12 Commission Human Rights. I guess Region 9 for the island provinces, Region 12 for the mainland provinces. So the fact that the Regional Human Rights Commission for the ARM was created filled the vacuum, unnecessary vacuum that of immediate quick response. Because in human rights, quick response is key. No? The longer the delay, the greater the chances of more human rights violations occurring. No? So quick response is important. So the fact that you had a Regional Human Rights Commission established 2 years ago filled in a significant number of gaps. And it's to the credit of the Regional Human Rights Commission that in the last 2 years they've done so much already, and they still can do so much more. So I think that's why we need to support the creation of a regional human rights mechanism, whether now under the auspices of the ARM or later under the auspices of the new entity that will be created called the Bangsamoro. It cannot be justified that you remove references to human rights protection and promotion on constitutional grounds because there is nothing in the Constitution that prohibits protection and promotion of human rights where it's needed the most, including in the Bangsamoro.